Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Tech Talk. Today we're working on a Maytag Bravos. Here's the model number. Okay, complaint is given an error code of an LD. When I arrived, LD was long drain, right here, long drain. But I'm sure you guys probably know all that stuff already, but what I wanted to highlight is the importance of having the cheater code, cheater cable, a little cheater cord. So what I did was, let me show you guys something here. So where's a motor pump? Okay, I did a manual test on the drain pumps to verify that I was getting 120 down to the unit. And the board was not. It was sending something like 30 or 40 volts. So what I did was I hooked up my cheater cord here, and I suggest you guys get one. Basically what it is, it's a little cable I have where, as you see here, here's the drain pump. What I do is I just took a cable and I cut it, and now I hook some spades up. So now if I want to verify that if it's my board or if it's my drain pump, I just do this. Sounds to me like the drain pump's good. It's gonna be the motor. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Invest yourself in one of these. I'll show you again. There you go. Let me get up under here. Make sure you do this with safety, okay? Hold on. Okay. So here you go. Always make sure when you operate one of these, you hook it up to the component first. And then you come with your, you plug it into your outlet. But never plug it into the outlet and then try to deal with these, because you'll get bit by it. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, another episode of Tech Talk. Thanks for tuning in. Please go to tmmacademics.com for more information like this. Thank you. Have a great day.
Ready to grow your appliance repair company? Introducing AMJ Marketing, available throughout the USA and Canada. In as little as 24 hours, you can add up to 10 customers to your schedule daily. Stop paying for shared leads and beat out your competitors by locking down a service area of your choice and getting all the calls from that area straight to your phone. Never pay for non-relevant and non-targeted calls. No sign-up fees, website fees, management fees, or any hidden fees. Fill out a web form on our website to claim your territory today and start receiving customers as early as tomorrow. Bring in revenue before having to pay anything. Sign up at www.amj-marketing.com/TMM.